Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about Gurumukh Singh Musafir. He was born on 15th of January 1899. He did his primary education from his village primary school and then went to Rawalpindi to pass the middle school examination. In 1918, he became a teacher at the Khalsa High School. He was very disappointed because of two incidences: Jallianwala Bagh and Nankan Sahib massacre. He then joined Akali agitation for the Gurudwara reform. He was an active member of Congress party and he was elected as a member of Constituent Assembly from East Punjab on Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly. He actively participated in the debates regarding the citizenship issue. He also actively participated in the issues relating to separate electorates. He mainly spoke on the East Punjab issue. We will just see that. On 27th of January 1948, quote, "My object in moving this motion is to secure the same representation for the non-Muslims of West Punjab here, which they had in Pakistan Constituent Assembly. That is to say, the number of members from the East Punjab should be increased. I do not think anybody would object this. This motion clearly lays down that those who have migrated from Punjab to East Punjab should be given full representation." Unquote. So, these were his views because he himself came from that particular province. He passed away on 18th of January 1976. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.